In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draft an email in Microsoft Outlook. We'll be working directly from your Outlook inbox, and the goal here is simple. Create an email, close it without sending, and then find it saved in your drafts folder. This is especially useful if you're not ready to send your message right away and want to come back to it later. To begin, open Outlook and make sure you're on your inbox screen. This is your main mail view where you can see your incoming messages and the navigation panel on the left. Once you're there, look to the top left area of the screen and click New Email. This opens a fresh Compose window where you can start building your message. In the recipient field, begin typing the name or email address of the person you want to contact. As you type, Outlook may show matching suggestions from your saved contacts or recent recipients. When the correct person appears in the list, click on their name to add them to the email. This helps ensure the address is selected properly and can save time compared to typing the full address manually. Next, move to the subject line and type a clear subject for your email. The subject should briefly describe what the message is about, so the recipient can understand the purpose of the email at a glance. Keeping the subject specific and relevant makes your message look more organized and professional. After that, click into the main body of the email and type your message. This is where you'll add the actual content you want to send. You can write a quick note or a longer message depending on your needs. If you're drafting an email for later, this is a good time to get your main ideas down, even if you plan to revise the wording before sending. Once your message is written, go to the bottom of the Compose window and click the X. In Outlook, closing the Compose window at this stage will keep the email as a draft instead of sending it. This is an easy way to save your progress without needing to finish the message immediately. Finally, look to the left-hand navigation column and click Drafts. Inside that folder, you'll see the email you just created. From there, you can reopen it anytime to continue editing, review the content, or send it when you're ready. And that's how to draft an email in Microsoft Outlook, save it, and find it again later.